know, on my right side is the registrar, Professor Duri, and left is Professor Ramesh Pai, who is the Dean of School of Physical and Applied Sciences. This press meet has been scheduled basically to give some clarity on the news appeared in the yesterday's daily and then some other social media related to the question paper leaking exam. With that respect, today morning I had a meeting with the Dean of School of Physical and Applied Sciences and the registrar. And then after going through the documents, I realized that there was absolutely no complaint against anyone about paper leaking. There was no complaint regarding the leaking of paper. The person concerned, about whom this news came, he is a good researcher. He has number of projects there. So it so happened that one day evening, maybe around 5:30 or 6 or so, he finds that one of the chemicals which his student is supposed to work for in the laboratory is not there. Therefore, this is as per his reply. Therefore, he went to one of the cabins of his own colleague. That means there are many teachers have been given different cabins. So one of the cabins he went after that teacher left. And then he took a chemical for his students to complete one of the experiments. This is the reply he has given. And also from any of the faculty from the same school, there is no report that the question paper has been leaked. Because we conduct, as per university rule, there is ISA, internal examination. So internal examination is conducted by the concerned teacher. So there is absolutely no complaint from any of the teachers that this has happened. Rather, he has entered into one cabin without the permission of that teacher, means whomever has been allotted that cabin. So with respect to that teacher asked and he said, yes, I only entered and I entered there basically to take a chemical for the experiment. So this is what happened. But again, what we did is that because to clear this, all the confusion, today morning as per the discussion with the, Dean and the committee has been constituted, 2-member committee, and they have been asked to submit the report within 48 hours. And if you find that there is some substance in that, further action will be taken. We also have the Executive Council, and this report, on this basis, suppose there is some substantial evidence that something has gone wrong, then definitely we will go ahead and see to it that a disciplinary committee has been constituted. Those committee will look into that in detail, and as per legal proceedings, we will do that. So this is, what has been done on the basis of this news item. In fact, till date I am telling that as the Vice Chancellor, I have not received any complaint from any faculty member that question paper has been leaked. That is what I am saying, that absolutely from where this has gone to the paper, I don't know. No complaint has received. If had there been any complaint, the inquiry would have been initiated. Now anyway, because the paper says this, a fact-finding committee has been constituted and the committee will go through that in detail and within 48 hours that report will come.
So who will be members of this fact-finding committee?
I don't want to reveal that because one of the senior dean and both are deans and senior professors.
So how within 48 hours that they will find?
Fact-finding.
Fact-finding 48 hours is sufficient enough time?
At least we will come to know the see if there is without fire there is no smoke. So from there we will be able to understand.
That is just verification of the allegation but not really a fact-finding. The fact-finding will take detailed interviews and all the stuff.
That is subsequently. That is disciplinary committee. On the basis of this, then we will have a disciplinary committee. That will take more days.
Sir,
but again let me tell you, because to clear all this, the smoke, we have actually put him under suspension pending inquiry.
There are reports